Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mr. Buff and Shine coming right at you from Sydney, Australia, the country down under. Basically, what I did today, this vehicle, it's what you call it, Holden. Anyway, whatever. We in the United States we call them Chevrolet. This vehicle had a bit of a grime and tree sap and a bit of glue and a bit of wear and tear in there. You'd see, it's still very clean vehicle, but basically what I did, I washed it first, then I clay bought it, gave it a bit of a clay to remove all the grime and the tree sap off the vehicle. So I gave it a fully buff, as you see. I went over it 3 times. I washed it first, clayed it second. As you see the shine here, there's no swell marks. This is it, nice and flat, as you can see, below it, gloss. I also buffed the wheels, I did the rims, and I put a bit of tie shine on the tires. Not a drop of swell marks or any compound that's stuck on the vehicle, nothing at all. As you can see, it's nice and clean. I gurneyed the roll off, then I went over again with de-waxer. All my product is from the United States. I use McGuire's, Blair, Mother's. You see it shiny here again. I even buffed the headlights, retail lights. Also did the chrome on the mufflers as well. Shine them all up. I also glazed the windows. I buffed the windows, as you see, they're fairly tinted. Hello. So once again, this is Mr. Buff and Shine, paint protection, car care detailing from Sydney, Australia. You can check me out on Facebook, Mr. Buff and Shine, Facebook. Give me a call on 0415 909 314. Ask for George or Mr. Buff. This is the buffer I used, the pad. Okay, this is it, boys and girls. Thank you again, and tune on next time. God bless.